Hey everyone, Ted Fletcher with FMS Integration. Hey, I wanted to go over and show you an example real quick with the RLE WiNG wireless technology, how to set an alternative channel. So if you ever get into a very large application and you want to split up your sensor traffic, what you can do is you can actually set the sensors and then the gateway to that alternative channel. By default, it's set to what they call radio ID 1. So on the North America, if you have like the orange label on your sensor, that means you're using the 900 megahertz. So by default, you see a little status LED flash blue. So that represents that default channel or channel 1. So by setting the alternative, it'll end up changing to a green flash. That way you can identify the difference of the sensors just from a first glance. So on the sensors, right on the side of the housing, underneath the serial number, you'll see an opening, and inside there is a little micro button that you can depress. So you can use a toothpick, a precision screwdriver, anything small enough to go through on that housing. So in this example, I'm just going to slide it out of the housing. So I'm just going to pop the cover, take it out through here. So then from here, you can see we have that blue status LED that flashes once every 10 to 20 seconds. And then down below, we have the reset button. So in order to set it to the alternative ID, what we need to do is we need to depress that micro button 3 times. So in order to do it, we just hover over, push it once, push it twice, and 3 times. Now you can see it's flashing green. So once it's done flashing, we can go through the rest of our sensors we want to set up onto that channel. And then once all those sensors done, then we can actually flip the radio ID over on the actual gateways and the corresponding range extenders of the RXTs. And here we see I have the web interface opened up to the RLE WiNG Manager. So in order to make these changes, you need to be logged in as the admin because we have to access the admin section of the configuration. So assuming this is not selectable right now, we want to go up to the upper right hand side, select the sign in. Once this comes up, we want to put in our proper admin username and password, log in. Now we can come down to the admin button on the left hand side, left click. Then select the 4th button for radios, left click. Here we can see that radios A and B are enabled and it's using the manager frequency channel pair 1. In order to identify real quick, we can come down here and look and see that radio A is channel 1, radio B is channel 15. So here we'll just change from the drop down from 1 to 2 and then we'll save our changes. The unit does need to reboot to take that new change, so within a few seconds you'll see this end up updating. So now we can see radio A is channel 6 and radio B is channel 21. So then once that is updated, then we go to our sensors. And then now I only did this one sensor here for this example. So if we stayed on the page, we're going to see all these other sensor times increase themselves, but we'll see this one maintaining that 10 to 20 seconds as far as its age. So I want to say thank you very much for your time. No different applications can be unique. So if you have any questions and you want to reach out, please feel free to contact us at FMS Integration at fmssi.com. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.